In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export MindNode to Notion on Mac, iPad, or iPhone. By the end, you'll have your mind map sitting right inside a Notion page as a clean, zoomable visual reference. First, open your mind map in MindNode. On a Mac, go to the menu bar and choose File, then Export, and pick PDF. This creates a polished snapshot of your map that looks the same on any device. If you're on an iPad or iPhone, look for the Export option in the app's menu and select PDF there as well. When an export dialog appears, you can typically keep the default settings unless you need a specific page size or want to tweak how much of the canvas is included. PDF is perfect for sharing and archiving because it preserves your layout, colors, and structure exactly as you see them. Next, save the file, give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize, and choose a location you can quickly reach. Your desktop, documents, or a cloud folder like iCloud Drive or files on iOS all work well. If your map is large, don't worry, the export may take a moment. Just let it finish before moving on. Now switch to Notion and open the page where you want the map to live. With the page visible, drag the PDF file from Finder on Mac or from the Files app or your recent downloads on iPad and iPhone and drop it right onto the Notion page. Notion will upload it and place it as an embedded document. You'll see a preview appear automatically. If the upload takes a bit, that's normal for bigger maps. Just give it a second. Once the PDF is embedded, you can click to open it, zoom in and out, or view it full screen. You can also rename the block for clarity and move it around the page to fit your layout. This method is especially useful if you just want a visual reference of your mind map without turning it into editable text inside Notion. The structure, colors, and connections remain intact, exactly as you designed them in MindNode. If you later update your mind map, simply export a new PDF and replace the one in Notion so your team always sees the latest version. Think of this as a reliable, read-only snapshot that's perfect for documentation, project hubs, and meetings where a quick visual overview is all you need. That's it. Export to PDF, save, drag into Notion, and your MindNode map is embedded and ready to go.